Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Hatchett. How are you?
I'm doing okay. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. It looks like Miss Baloney is connecting to the audio here. And hopefully video.
Thank you for allowing us to do this by Zoom. I appreciate it.
You bet. Feels as though she's having some kind of problem.
We do a practice run, so it should be connecting.
Well,
Strange.
run in here real quick and I'll be right back.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we have a video. Okay. So I was like, I didn't know where it was set up. So, okay.
I don't know what
Don't
I
bring it
said.
up. Okay, thank
I
you.
don't know what I said to Van. Did she get like a
Not
recording?
yet. Okay, yeah. This is for later. All right, thank you.
Did she get a recording to come back in there or something? Something's funky.
What?
You what, babe?
Well, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
So then somebody called and they said, well, so-and-so's down here. Victoria called, and so, and it goes and tells Faith Ann. Now Paula calls, she's looking for Hunter, and she's like, Judge, they simply tell him to go up here.
We didn't tell anybody to go
That's
down
what I
there.
We
said,
told one.
and I said, I'm pretty sure he did. It was one.
I told you that other lady from Austin probably was gonna go down there.
Yeah, and usually if they ask us, we can, as actually what I told her, I said, we can try. I said, but sometimes they're shorthanded down there, you know, because I don't want to say, yeah, they can do it, and
And
they
that's why I
can't do
said,
it.
I'm pretty sure it was just one.
Yeah, it
You
was.
can tell Judge, it's not saying nothing.
Yeah, it was just one,
Absolutely.
always.
I didn't even see them.
No, we're waiting on a Zoom.
Yeah, he was waiting for her today.
We're waiting on a connection.
So he's out here somewhere?
Yeah, he's on the phone in his office.
Oh, okay, because I gotta get this straight.
Okay, Miss Hatchett, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I've reached out to my staff to get some help to our client.
Okay, who is Nettie Clark?
I have no
We're
idea.
trying to get in. I don't know who Nettie Clark is.
Yeah. She was somebody.
She may be in another, she may be in our hearings at,
She's Mr.
Hmm.
she's in another case that we have going on. Here's Denisha again.
All right, super.
She's in the Zoom on the contested docket.
Yes. With the accounting attorney.
All righty.
Okay, let's see what we can do here. The 6th is a Wednesday, yeah.
Miss Denisha, you'll need to turn your camera on as well.
Okay. Hold on.
There you are. Okay. Now
It's a little dark. You're going to have to be brighter.
for you.
Okay,
Could you
one
bring the
moment.
Screen down just a little bit where we can see your whole face. There you go. Okay, he's gonna be right here.
Can you put more light on in your room?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Do you say it Bellany or Balani?
The first one, Bellany.
All right, Miss Bellany, if I could get you to raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, go right ahead, Miss Hatchett.
All right. Would you please state your full, I need you to stay still. Uh-oh.
I'm trying to turn the light on.
Okay.
Okay.
Much better. Ms. Maloney, did you go through a practice Zoom with my staff?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm wondering why we're having a hard time this morning. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Would you please state your full name for this judge?
Denisha Elaine Bellany.
And do you reside in Harris County, Ms. Maloney?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you related to Rodney Errol Lee?
He's my uncle.
He's over the age of 18, correct?
Yes, ma'am. 59.
Okay, and where does he live? Don't
With me.
give the address. Okay, he lives
Oh,
with
he
you.
lives with me.
Okay, so he lives with you right now in Harris County, but his guardianship has been pending in Jefferson County. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and who was his prior guardian?
My grandmother, Murdis Ann Lee.
Okay, and it's true that Miss Murtis Lee died in November of 22.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then you agreed with members of your family. Well, sounds like you were voluntold that you were going to be the guardian, successor guardian for your uncle. Is that correct?
Correct.
So although his mother is still alive and other members of his family, or rather, your mother is still alive and other members of his family, everyone decided that you should be the guardian for him, successor.
Yes, ma'am.
And you've agreed to step up into this role. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And does your uncle, as far as you know, have any proceeds or income coming to him?
No, ma'am. Nothing
Does he-
besides his benefits.
Okay, and what benefit is that, ma'am?
He gets his Social Security disability, I think is the name of it.
Okay, and did he receive any inheritance? Does he have any outside income or assets?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so there's no need for a continuation of a guardian of the estate, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and then is it true that your uncle does not have, nothing's changed about his circumstances since your grandmother was guardian? He's not married and he doesn't have any children, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And that the sister Rosalind, is Rosalind your mom?
Yes, ma'am.
Rosalind Anderson has filed a waiver that you should be in charge or seek appointment as guardian of his person. Is that correct?
Correct.
Have you done the training that's necessary to be approved and appointed as a Texas guardian?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you undergone the background check necessary?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that if this court were to see fit to appoint you as your uncle's successor guardian, that you would then take on a legal responsibility to see to his needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's slightly different than when you're just trying to help him out as a niece. You're asking the court to hold you legally responsible for your uncle's care, and you're accepting that responsibility.
Correct. Yes.
Is it true that the guardianship is required because there's a number of needs that your uncle has that have been compromised since your grandmother passed away, one of which is the daycare program that he attends now? Is that correct?
Correct.
And that you're still needing to have medical appointments, dental appointments, vision appointments, all the appointments that are necessary for him, they should continue. Is that correct?
Correct.
And you're having difficulty with continuation of those medical treatments without having a guardian appointed.
Correct.
Ms. Maloney, are you qualified to serve as your uncle's guardian?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever been convicted of a felony or a crime of moral turpitude?
No, ma'am.
And do you believe it's in your uncle's best interest that you be appointed as his successor guardian of person only?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Hey, Miss Bellany, so I take it that y'all live together in an apartment?
Yes.
Is it a two-bedroom apartment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any intention of changing his living quarters? Or do
No,
you,
sir.
is it your intention for him to continue to live with you in Harris County?
Yes, sir.
I guess that part of Webster is in Harris County, not in Brazoria County. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. All right. If you can get the proof signed, Ms. Hatchett, and get those e-filed over here, then we'll take care of getting the order appointing her as successor guardian. And if you need anything else, let us know. I hope y'all have a great week and that everything goes well.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. We appreciate you.
Y'all take
Thank you.
care.
Thank you, Ms. Galani.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.